Alright Tech Fam, CJ here, and today we're diving deep into something that's about to completely change how you think about portable displays. Now the VITURE BEAST XR glasses from today's video partner just landed on my desk after spending serious time with these bad boys. I need to tell you why these might be the most underrated piece of tech you've never heard of. But first, let me set the expectation. Imagine having a massive 174-inch virtual screen at 4 meters floating right in front of your eyes, anywhere you go. And the Beast offers an industry-leading 58-degree field of view. No more cramped laptop screens on flights, and no more squinting at your phone during long gaming sessions. That's exactly what we're talking about today, and trust, the reality is even crazier than it sounds. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, smash the subscribe button because we're covering cutting-edge tech like this. Now, the first thing that hits you about the Beast XR glasses is the display technology itself. We're looking at dual micro OLED panels here, and when I say micro, I mean, these things are absolutely tiny, yet somehow deliver image quality that rivals premium monitors, as well as each eye gets its own dedicated panel with a resolution that makes text crisp and colors pop in ways that honestly surprised even me. Now, the refresh rate situation is where things get really interesting for gamers like myself. These glasses support up to 120 Hz, which means buttery smooth motion, whether you're gaming or watching high frame rate content. Now, I tested these with fast-paced shooters and racing games, and the motion blur that usually kills portable displays is almost virtually non-existent here. It's like having a high-end gaming monitor that weighs less than a pair of sunglasses that you wear, but the monitor's on your face. Yeah. And speaking of weight, let's talk about comfort, because that's where most XR glasses completely fail. You also get a ton of different nose adjustments. I have a prescription lens drop-in as well, so there's a ton of ways to accommodate multiple ways of comfort. And the weight distribution is actually really good for what they are. Now let's talk connectivity, because we've got USB-C with display alt mode, which means these work basically with everything modern. Whether that's your laptop, your phone, your PC gaming handheld, even your Nintendo Switch with the right adapter. I got more on that in just a second. Now the plug and play experience is seamless. No drivers, no complicated setup, just literally connect and go. Now, VITURE also has a collaboration with 8-Bit Do, and that means a lot of cool gaming controller accessories. There's the Ultimate Mobile Gaming Controller, a Nintendo Switch compatible controller, a Xbox configured controller as well. You also have the Pro Mobile Dock and Pro Mobile Dock Mount. This one specifically is for the Nintendo Switch 2. It's safe to say that VITURE has made this very much gamer friendly, and I'm here for it. The built-in speakers use directional audio technology, so you get decent sound quality without blocking your ears completely. You can still hear what's happening around you, which is perfect for public spaces. Now, battery life varies dependent on your source device, but since these are passive displays drawing power through USB-C, the impact on your connected device is still very minimal. Now, the build quality feels premium throughout. The materials feel durable, and there's attention to detail in places you wouldn't expect. These don't feel like a first generation product at all. Now, for content creators like myself, these are actually game changing. Video editing on massive virtual display, color grading with OLED accuracy, and reviewing footage without disturbing others nearby. I've started to consider using these for some editing sessions, and productivity here is real. Now, gaming performance deserves its own segment. Low latency, high refresh rate, and that immersive large screen experience make these incredible for both competitive and story-driven games. Now, the price point puts these in a serious competition with portable monitors. But you're getting something completely different here. This is personal, private, and infinitely more versatile than any traditional display solution. Look, the VITURE BEAST XR glasses are absolutely solid if you value portability, privacy, and that massive screen experience. These deserve serious consideration. Literally click the link in the description, use the promo code on the screen, and get a percentage off of everything. And experience the Beast XR now. Drop your thoughts below, subscribe for more cutting edge tech coverage, and I'll catch you in the next one.